Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on out of office on Gmail. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how you can do it. So out of office is basically a time period that you're going to specify that anyone who sends you an email is going to get a reply that you're out of office currently, and stay tuned until I reply to you. It is really important, and it is actually really easy to do, and I'm going to show how you can do it. Now on Gmail it's pretty different than on any other emailing, because it's just to have a weird name over here. So we're going to click on Open Gmail, and then the hamburger menu on the top left corner, and then scroll down all the way to Settings. Now from Settings you're going to choose whatever email you want to do. You have the out of office feature on, and then after that, when you're going to scroll down all the way until something called Vacation Responder. Okay, now you're going to click on the Vacation Responder, and you're going to turn it on, and then specify the specific time period that you want. Okay, now I'm going to set the last day of, let's say, 27 of Friday, and after that you're going to have the subject that out of office. And then basically you actually, and then whatever, like, I am actually currently now out of office. You can stay tuned for me to get back to the office, and then I can see your email. After that, when you do that, you're going to click on done, and anyone is going to send you an email. At that time is going to receive that email. So yeah guys, thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you